size of that leaf. Some kind of weird houses. Here's a really nice archway. And here, it's a really nice vending machine. Ooh. That white thing is a bird. What kind of bird is that, you think? Cockatiel? Molly, it says. Greater sulfur crested cockatoo, Eastern Australia. I'm not going to pronounce the Latin. I think it's Latin. I think he's sleeping. And here we have Fairy Claus giving children their wishes for Christmas. I've never seen anything like it. Exhibit 17, a water wheel. A bird who's awake. I think it's another one of those cockatoos. No, it's not. It's, can I read that? Salmon-crested cockatoo from eastern Indonesia. Hey there, little fella. Apparently these mushrooms are not edible, but I think this is the nativity scene. Is that what it is? I'll let you decide. And another bird sleeping. Not sure what this is. Kind of art. Let's see what the temperature says on here. You see what that says? I can't. I think it says 28. It doesn't feel like 28. It feels a lot cooler than that. Kind of a little bird. I wonder if there's I wonder if the birds can get in from outside, or they just stay in here. I guess they just stay in here. Some kind of green parrot. Oh, look, it just flew onto there. That was cool. Wow, I wonder what kind of bird that is. What kind of bird is that? Does that say? I don't see a sign. It says red shoulder macaw, Nelson.
I can't really hear it if you want to play.
Venezuela, Guyana, Brazil.
There sure are.
What are those, mice or birds?
There's mice running around.
What?
Yep.
On purpose?
I think so.
Wow, this place is infested with mice. Another mouse. I literally just saw like 6 mice. Look at them all. I don't know if they're supposed to be here or not. Why would they have mice here?
Maybe they're pest control.
Pest control for what? They're not going to eat anything. I don't get it. Another mushroom thing. And up here, large cacti. That thing is huge. Wacky. Birds or dragons? That is the question. I have no idea. They could be dragons. Look at the size of that plant. Oh, that's bright.
Make do with what you have.
Make do with what you have, so you just put some sticks together and enjoy the apocalypse, or what? On another mouse. I think the mice are eating the bird seed, but I don't know. I guess you can't really put glue traps down. Not that I would ever do that. I don't agree with that, but there's a lot of mice in here. Hey, look, there's another bird too. What kind is that one? Ruby and kiwi. Electus parrots. New Guinea to northeast Australia. So that guy's sleeping. And that guy, I didn't see him. Hey there, fella. Taking it easy. Kind of mushroom. There's a real theme of mushrooms to this. Everything's mushrooms. It's like a boat. Ladies and gentlemen, Bloedel Conservatory. Hope you enjoyed the tour.